Hi guys, we're back talking about high school proficiency exam, a problem from a previous year test, real high school proficiency exam problem, and a simple problem at the same time. This is a simple quadratic equation. As you can see, you have to solve for x and determine which one of these A, B, C, D options are the real solution. Well, let's start with the given equation. 5x squared equals 125. Because I need to find x, I'm going to divide by 5 here, and you will divide both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Your x squared equals 125 divided by 5, that's 25. If you take the square root of that, right, what you notice, your x could be plus or minus square root 25, or you may say plus or minus 5, right? And I know that this is x1, x2, your two roots. I know it's a little bit confusing because usually we're dealing with the principal square root, which is only the positive one, right? But in this case, we have a quadratic equation. There are two possibilities for which that expression x squared will equal 25. Another way to solve it, let's say if you have x squared equals 25, I'm going to move that 25 on the left side, and I'm getting on the left side x squared minus 25 equals 0. Now I will try to factor this left side, which is the difference of two squares. Do you guys remember? If you have a squared minus b squared, that equals what? Two binomials as a product. A minus b times a plus b. Well, your 25 is actually what? 5 squared equals 0. So I can rewrite the left side as what? X minus 5 times x plus 5 should equal 0. Well, this will be true if x minus 5 equals 0 and x plus 5 equals 0, because the product will be 0 if one of each numbers would be 0 or both. And what you have from this one, I have x1, the first root, first solution, x equals 5. From the other equation, I have x2 equals, you take away 5, negative 5. Okay, and that's why the solution set for this problem would be negative 5 and 5, or backwards. I just wrote it this way because that's the way is given to you in the four options. That's the answer. You're moving on. Thank you.